After being denied the Congress party ticket to contest the 2025 MDC elections from Umroi constituency, former MDC Albinus Lyngdoh, along with his supporters and leaders, has decided to align with the Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum or the UCPF. They have pledged their support to UCPF's candidate George B. Lyngdoh to represent Umroi constituency in the KHADC elections for the term 2025-29. This decision was announced during a meeting held on the 17th of January 2025 at the residence of former Umroi MLA E.K. Maulong in Umroi, Umdoh Berthi. Albinus Lyngdoh, accompanied by around 250 supporters, formally joined the UCPF at the event. Speaking to the media, Albinus Lyngdoh revealed that he had spent years preparing to contest the MDC elections under the Congress party. However, to his surprise, his ticket was withdrawn and given to MD Same, who had joined the Congress party just a week earlier. Citing this biased decision by the Congress leadership, Albinus Lyngdoh stated that he and his supporters found it unacceptable to remain in the party and therefore decided to join the UCPF to back George B. Lyngdoh. Meanwhile, George B. Lyngdoh expressed optimism about the upcoming elections. He acknowledged the challenges posed by MD Same, who, along with a few UCPF members, has returned to the Congress party. However, he asserted that the UCPF remains steadfast and confident about achieving success in the MDC elections with the support of Albinus Lyngdoh, his team and the people of the Umroi constituency.
Kampoi perkat ba katiket ngadon no bun sedang meladon no parti kongres Henry ngamtip nak ai kadau ke ba pendu no etiket na menta cuma Henry ha kejisa ngamdon dau ai ke parti Henry what di si nak mau di upanya lek menta tidak ong nak office nak parti kongres hindi wat ketong nak mau tin marma ke orang berseketang duduk di sini, nama berseketang sini buat syas semarang. Kemudian ada juga mau dikutip Henry. Pada lah rengkang no pada parti kongres. Lep sebagai parti. Melatih itu mereka bertajuk ke parti kongres. Klaim dak hanya kapor. Klaim dak hanya ke judul nong Henry. Abarcang kongo ketum ke jebetha. Balot juga parti kongres. Ngamtip nak kadau ke ba. MDC tang ATWA boleh opman yang ketingkat. Di kepenlingo yang aku ta, persiang yang ingang pada nomi kemat di pajak. Baru di pajak kasih kili baik. Si ai bedeng ni lek. Si ai Albinus ni lek. Ai dia lam yang ni. Pakem ta terter. Henry nomor saru dia bola cek kela. Ka forum ke bagilas seng ke laplan ban peniang naba MDC na parti forum dai. Udah kang no seperti ukres. Kumtangi syong meeting angut sikit lah si besar. Ban ong bahas dengan yang nak lejong kejat kum ke yang kesen berkuai. Ngidon kejut klik nak mentak umrah menteri. Dia nama kata kadau. Ilong mentak mengidon nengi yakot. Tak dia jom ngan kot ars pak san pemut tam. Di bajar su lakot kumba ars pak san pemut tam. Ban penlong tang kuai. Kenhun ban senuk potong na kenaga umrah menteri ban ajing cekri bahok bakut nam tanyu pajak.
Meanwhile, George B. Lyngdoh expressed optimism about the upcoming elections. He acknowledged the challenges posed by MD Same, who, along with a few UCPF members, has returned to the Congress party. However, he asserted that the UCPF remains steadfast and confident about achieving success in the MDC elections with the support of Albinus Lyngdoh, his team and the people of the Umroi constituency.
Tidak bagi jisu berklau yang boleh nak kita jing lumlang jiki paipa jika mulai konsensi hangba nak liang jonga pada liang jong ini ba Albinus Lyngdoh XMDC nilai kendo lang bagi mir jimut man perlu pelang i perlu no kesian di jonga bagi jongi hangba bangi perkat nak kamentang kelwe jong mulai konsensi kepang nak kamentang di election MDC ajar pusat hari ini kendo lang jonga badi nilai mir jimut mengi meleduk no ikutong Walangi but pendiang independen nak kenhun umroy konsensi progressive forum nak leong kurtau jungi bat ki katuk anengot ki perlok ki alik ban joinyo syak parti kongres kabangi mi hab jumut ban nak leong jungi aneng albinos ndo ibelado etiket nak parti kongres pat ngi ayo perkhatlah bangi saindo thumai ya kalau wei jungi pai ba hapok umroy konsensi tidak kaji kedua lang jungi entah kesengi bat kaji yang menjur lang jong arli kedua jadi nak persian kita MNC berlian juga berlian juga dengan Albinus Kelerai berpeniang yang George Pilendok Emily Berim melong pemukotong MDC ada pesan nah kenhun independen hak nika election pemerintah jadi ibu yang kaji kepat kepon yang baru perlok baju persian yang hagi Islam Gibaldep but baju persian dengan Albinus bagi sobaban island ketika mon jungki na kementar juga pada kementar dengan Albinus hak ni election pemerintah kamu gila menolak itu jangan